Hello boys, welcome in KV Rai Academy online class. Today we will teach class 3rd math exercise 5.3. Here some word based problem. In previous class we have teach how we can solve the word problems. First we read the question and then we think what is sense of the question, and third we think how we can get our answer, what will we answer in question, how can we solve the question by adding or subtracting, multiplication or division. Here in previous class we have already discussed some tricks that can tell about the question that our answer, how we find our answer. In first questions, what number should be subtracted from 5308 to get 2260? Means this question can be write in other types. Other types, 5308 is how much more 5300 the number to 2260. How much less the number from 5308. In these questions can write on many ways, but we get its answer to subtract the numbers is smaller number from the greater number. Then 5308 we subtract the number 2260, means 2260 subtracted from 5308. When we subtract we get 8, here 0 we carry from 3, and here we obtain 10. We subtracted 6 from 10, obtain 4. Here after borrowing the left number 2 minus 2 equal to 0, and here 5 subtracted 2 we get 3. Hence 3048 subtracted from 5308 to get 2260. Means if we subtract 2260 from 5308 we get 3048. In other question, what number should be added to 1596 to get 4500? In both questions, first number questions what should be subtracted, but in other second question what should be added, but the both questions sense are same. We can solve both questions to solve subtracting. Here some confusions. In second questions what be subtracted, but first question what is added. In second question what be added, but first question what be subtracted, but we can obtain the answer same process, subtracted not. Here we get the answer to add the number, means we get the number after subtracting from 4500 1596 we subtract. Here we borrow. Here we after borrowing the 0 make 10, and we subtract 6 we get 4, and here we get 9 minus 9 equals 0. here left 4, we borrow from 4, and here the value 14 subtract 5, we get 9. Here 3 minus 1 equal to 2, means 2904 we added from number 1596 and get the number. Means if we added in this number 1596, added 2900, we get 4500. In question number 3rd, here 4500 minus 600 plus 1426. In this type questions, there are many numbers and many signs. In this type question, we can solve first our positive sign, add same rows, and negative we subtract same line, and after subtracting the positive and negative number, when we get the answer, and the last step, when we subtract positive number from negative number, we get final answer. Here but only 3 numbers in these questions can many numbers and many signs. Here the sign of 4500 is positive, and the sign of 1426 is positive, so we add the number 4500 1426, we get 5926, and when we subtract the negative sign 600 from 5926, we get 5326. That's all.